The Make Book by Gretchen Storm. We'll be using symbol sticks, and this book is all about the word make. You can find make under actions in your talker. Make is something we do with our body, so it's a green word, a green action word. Let's try to use our talker to read along with this book. Make a sandcastle. Make it. Can you find make in your talker? Make a sandwich. Make it. Use your talker to find make. After you find make, add the word it to make two words together. Make it. Make the bed. Make it. Make a list. Make it. Make noise. Make it. Are you finding that word in your talker? Make? Make money. Make it. Make a snowman. Make it. Make a pizza. Make it. Make a wish. Make it. Make a painting. Make it. The end. Thank you for reading with me.